FastQC is a widely used bioinformatics tool designed for quality control and assessment of raw sequencing data generated from next-generation sequencing platform, that is NGS. It provides a comprehensive overview of quality metrics for FastQ file, thus helping researchers and data scientists to identify potential issues before downstream analysis. The FastQC evaluates the integrity and quality of sequencing read, thus ensuring the data meets the required standard for accurate biological interpretation. In terms of input format, it usually accepts FastQ, PAM or SAM file as input, making it compatible with various sequencing workflow. Now let's focus on key metrics assessed. The important one is per base sequence quality. It visualizes quality score across read position to detect low quality regions. Along with that, GC content, by examining the GC distribution to identify biases in nucleotide composition, and along with that, adapter content, by detecting the residual adapter sequences that may interfere with further analysis. Another key aspect is overrepresented sequences. Highlight the sequences that appear disproportionately, indicating contamination or PCR artifact. The another one is sequence duplication level. Quantify the duplicated read to assess the library complexity. In terms of output, it generates an interactive HTML report summarizing results through graphs and tables for easy interpretations. It also allows automated batch processing without requiring interactive input, which make it suitable for high throughput environment. In terms of application, it can be utilized for the analysis of RNA-seq, DNA-seq, chip-seq, ATAC-seq quality control. It also helps in identifying contamination or systematic error in sequencing run. It also supports integration with multi-QC. FastQC report can be aggregated using multi-QC for comparative analysis across multiple samples. So you can say it is a user-friendly interface which provides fast processing of a large data set and also compatibility with diverse sequencing technology like Illumina and PacBio. FastQC is an indispensable tool for NGS data scientists and bioinformatics professionals working in the areas of genomics. FastQC ensures high-quality data for robust downstream analysis like alignment, variant calling, and differential expression studies. I hope you have liked this session. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and do share these information among your scientific endeavors. Thank you.